Brothers and sisters. I have my son here, and he's going to share a dream that he had the other day about Revelations 12 sign and the rapture of the church. Go ahead.
So it first started when I was in some mansion or something like that, and a whole bunch of people were there. It was like a concert or something. Right after someone sang, I went up on stage and I snatched the microphone out of the singer's hand, and I told, "There's something coming. You need to be watching." And then I had a flashback of Jesus picking up a diadem, and I then I disappeared right off the stage, and then people are like, "What happened? What happened?" And then they heard one trumpet, and they figured it was the rapture, and they were left behind.